My name is Umraz Khan. My company name is MH Interiors. I do AC service, AC repair, and geyser repair, and electrician work, and glass cleaning, and LCD, LED repair. Many things I do. All home appliance I can fix it. Electronics items. That much service I'll take. I'm doing all over Bangalore. Actually, I'm working from past 5 years. My experience is 5 to 6 years in this field. I have 4 people. I have 4 manpower. 4 members are working under me, and my timing is like if you book the order within an hour, I'll be reach. I'll take 15 to 20 minutes later or earlier. I'll match up, but I'll match up the timing. We are available in Bro for you also. You can contact in at any time by app. Thank you so much.